Hello guys, it's Mike from Custom Knife Factory. Be ready for terrible Russian accent for the next 2 or 3 minutes. What we have here? We have our giveaway for the SpinSpace hand and fidget spinners community in Facebook. We have more than 1000 people who took part in our giveaway. Really, I expected that it would be maybe 100 or 200, but there are more than 1000 people, 1069. So what we do, I copied all these guys to Excel sheet. Now we copy all the names here to our classtool.net fruit machine, and in 2 minutes or less we are ready to pick up the winner. What we have for the prize? It's our new limited batch Pepyakka 3.0 with Damascus. It's numbered number 2 of 200. It's perfect in all ways, as you may see. Rock solid. You may take part in one finger spinners championship with this Pepyakka. Let it spin here. And we are ready to pick up the winner. I will make 3 tries for you to see how this machine works. Maybe you will find your name here. So 3 tries. First try is second try is third try is and now we are ready to pick up the winner. And this lucky person is Mark Berlin. Congratulations from Russia. This beautiful Pepyakka is yours. Please contact me as soon as possible so we could send it to you maybe tomorrow. I want to thank all guys from SpinSpace Community for your kind words and support. It was really great pleasure for us to read all these words in comments. We promise to do our best to improve the quality, to make new cool designs for you, and several news. Where is it? It's our site from Russia with Knives. So the Pepyakka 3.0 will be available in 7 days on site, last batch. Pepyakka 4.0 we will start shippings I think in 10 days, and only after we ship all the pre-orders we will put it on site, and it will be first comes first served. And another great news is that our collaboration Pepyakka S with snacks will be ready in June, so be ready guys. Again, thank you all for your support. Kind regards from Moscow, Russia. Kind regards from CKF team. See you. Bye bye.